If you have a 2020 KTM or Husqvarna TPI and think you're replacing the easy-to-break plastic fuel fitting with a Powerparts aluminium fuel fitting, unfortunately it appears that these are also easy to break. A couple of weeks ago I made a video showing a friend's 2020 Husqvarna TE250i, and it had the stock plastic fuel fitting snap off. And we needed to repair the bike quickly, so I took the fuel fitting off my 2019 KTM TPI, which is an aluminium part, and we fitted that to his bike, and he's been riding it a couple of times now and it's holding up well, so he's pleased with that. But I need to replace the fuel fitting on my 2019, so I was going to order the stock part, but it was back ordered. So I looked into it, found there was a Powerparts part, and I made a separate install video showing that. But I was looking on KTM Talk web forum today, and someone called Moto Sapien also fitted the same Powerparts fuel fitting, and his one failed very easily. He said he was just riding along and it suddenly failed, snapped off. He said he didn't hit anything. He thinks it might have just been caused by vibration, or it might have had a hit earlier, creating a crack. And as you can see in the photos, it snapped where one of the barbs is, and the metal there, it looks as though it's really thin and pretty weak and easy to snap off. So Moto Sapien reported that he replaced the Powerparts fuel fitting with one from 2017 4-stroke, which you can see in this photo. And you can see it doesn't have any barbs on the hose connection, so it should be a lot stronger. And the design is very similar to the one used on 2018-2019 TPI bikes. So if you have a 2020 KTM or Husqvarna TPI and want to replace the plastic fuel fitting, my recommendation would be to go ahead and order the 2018 or 2019 aluminium fuel fitting. I'll put the part number in the description of this video. And if you already went ahead and purchased the Powerparts fuel fitting based on the installation video I made, I'm really sorry, but at that time I didn't know about this failure, and it looked as though it was a strong part, but I really can't recommend it based on Moto Sapien's experience. And no matter what fuel fitting you have installed, I do think it's a good idea to carry a spare, particularly if you're riding in remote areas. I would recommend having a full assembly, so the fuel fitting plus the hose and the quick disconnect. And then if you do experience a failure, it's not going to leave you stranded.